Hey everyone, in today's video, we'll be showing you how to display what game you're playing to your friends on Discord. So, to get started, just to show, currently I'm playing Roblox. As you can see, I have Roblox open on my PC and it's currently running. Now, as you can see here on Discord, it doesn't actually say that I'm playing anything. So to fix that, what you need to do is you need to head over to your user settings, and then you need to scroll down for a setting called Activity Privacy. Now there's a couple of things you can choose here, but the most important is that you display your detected activities with others and make sure it's toggled to on. After it's toggled, you can just press escape, and now you can see that it says that I've been playing Roblox for 2 minutes and 40 seconds. And it's still open, so that means that it's currently working. Now, if this video helped you out, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like these. Goodbye.